Welcome. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of Chinese astrology. Do you know your Chinese zodiac sign? According to Chinese astrology, your birth year can determine your personality and destiny. Traditionally, horoscopes are consulted when making important life decisions. Chinese astrology is a tradition that has existed for thousands of years. Unlike Western astrology, it is based on the lunar calendar. This means the signs and elements shift each lunar year, creating unique and intriguing combinations. In Chinese astrology, every year is ruled by a Chinese zodiac sign, which cycles every 12 years. Each sign is represented by an animal associated with certain personality traits. You can pinpoint your Chinese zodiac sign by determining which sign ruled your birth year. To understand the basics of astrology, let's start by looking at the 12 zodiac animals. There are 12 animals in the Chinese zodiac, each with its own set of characteristics and traits. Let's quickly introduce them. Number 1, rat. Rat years. Quick-witted, resourceful and versatile. Rats are self-starters who have sharp communication skills. They tend to be detail-oriented and organized and often risk-averse. Number 2, ox. Ox years. Diligent, dependable and strong. Oxen are down-to-earth and contemplative. They can multitask and are perceived as industrious. Number 3, tiger. Tiger years. Brave, confident and competitive. Tigers are go-getters, often free-thinking and fearless. Tigers can make formidable leaders. Number 3, rabbit. Rabbit years. Gentle, quiet and elegant. Rabbits tend to be polite, charming and diplomatic. They love soaking up knowledge and put their hearts into caring for loved ones. Number 5, dragon. Dragon years. Confident, intelligent and enthusiastic. Dragons can be fiery and extroverted. They are known for loyalty, self-sufficiency and ability to lead. Number 6, snake. Snake years. Enigmatic, wise and passionate. Snakes desire to keep the peace and inspire people by being artistic. They are in tune with their intuition. Number 7, horse. Horse years. Active, energetic and free-spirited. Horses are positive and wired with energy to fight until they win. They are passionate about living the life they envision for themselves. Number 8, goat. Goat years. Calm, gentle and sympathetic. Goats are dreamers, patient, polite and persuasive. They are born with a gift for creative pursuits and are perceptive and nurturing. Number 9, rooster. Rooster years. Observant, hardworking and courageous. Roosters are persistent in pursuing their goals. They are not averse to risk-taking or adventure and can be super creative. Number 10, monkey. Monkey years. Smart, curious and clever. Monkeys are free-spirited, energetic individualists. They are amicable and value their relationships. Number 11, dog. Dog years. Loyal, honest and cautious. Dogs may be family or service-oriented, direct and trustworthy. They show determination at work and wear their hearts on their sleeve. Number 12, pig. Pig years. Compassionate, generous and diligent. Pigs are young at heart. They are good listeners and can have a knack for being patient with others. We have looked at the zodiac, but the 12 zodiac animal signs don't tell the whole story. There are also the 5 elements to consider. Each zodiac sign is linked to one of the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal and water. These elements add another layer of complexity and depth to your astrological profile. It's very easy to figure out your zodiac element because all you need to know is the last number of your birth year. Let's break them down. Metal represents solidity and willpower. You are metal if you have a birth year ending in 0 or 1. Water associated with responsiveness and persuasion. Water birth year ending in 2 or 3. Wood symbolizes imagination and creativity. Wood birth year ending in 4 or 5. Fire stands for passion and bursts of dynamic energy. Fire birth year ending in 6 or 7. Earth embodies down-to-earth qualities that encourage focus and commitment. Earth birth year ending in 8 or 9. Each calendar year is also linked to an element. For example, 2024 is the year of the wood dragon, and so all signs will be influenced by wood characteristics. And there you have it. We've covered the basics and completed a brief journey into the world of Chinese astrology. Knowing your zodiac sign and your element can offer fascinating insights into your personality and destiny. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. See you next time. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming videos.